Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name is Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade, and is it ever good to be back with everyone? It is Monday, November 29, 2010, and I am back from an 11-day cruise in the Western Caribbean. Seen some very cool areas such as Cozumel, Mexico, and I went down to Honduras, Roatan, Honduras, and then Costa Rica, Puerto Limon, Costa Rica, and then Cologne, Panama, and then from Cologne, Panama, went over to Cartagena, Colombia, and from there went to Georgetown, Grand Cayman, doing all that by memory, and I think I have them in the right order. And come back here to the States. A wonderful time of getting away. Matter of fact, gang, I am seriously considering taking a cruise just with Grok users and making it a training cruise so we can write it off. And I know a number of you all have been on cruises before. And anyway, just need to find out what type of interest might be there. And I'm looking at maybe a year from now I'm doing that, and I'm filling in the days with some training, and I think that would be a fantastic thing. But anyway, let me know. All you have to do is shoot me an email at mentor@groktrade.com. Let me know if that might be something you may be interested in. I'll keep a list and get in touch with everyone later, as we might be talking more seriously about it. All right, let's take a look at this. Markets went up, 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 up. I leave around this time, and the markets dropped, and then we chop around pretty violently. So let me just say this. All of you who are swing trading in this mess, I'm so sorry. This must have been a brutal couple weeks for you here. Today, we come crashing down. Actually, at one point, down below the 50-day moving average on the markets. We rallied back, closing at a hammer. So that's pretty a bullish move here when you drop, and then you come rallying back. However, I drew a couple lines here. You have what's called a bearish pennant formation, which is more bearish than it is bullish. And now we remain below the 20-day moving average and above the 50-day moving average. And anytime you get pinched between the 20 and the 50-day moving averages, expect a massive move, one direction or the other. So what we're going to be focusing on is that 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. And as long as we can stay above this 1180, all should be well. But before we really start thinking bullish, we need to get above 1200 on the S&P. And listen, the other thing is the MACD needs to go above the 0 line. That is so important. So you definitely don't want to ignore that. So keep that in mind. I'm going to pull up the weekly just to take a look at things. On the weekly, we have a beautiful bull pullback, gang. This is a beauty. And we're pulling back to a moving average right here. It's our 200-day moving average. So we went over the 200-day. We're pulling back to the 200-day. I mean, isn't that pretty? I know this is day one. But you know, wouldn't surprise me the remainder of the week to stay chopping around, giving us a hammer for the week, and then next week being nice and bullish there in the markets. But we don't want to be too early because we are building a down leg, so you certainly don't want to be going bullish right now before we get confirmation. So, and listen to my students, all the Grok mentor students out there. Tomorrow night I will be doing the Grok mentor student refresher program tomorrow night, and it's exclusive just to you students. So you will have the password and email link given to you. So I'll be looking forward to that tomorrow night. And to let everybody know a couple things here. By the end of this week, we will have the 101 videos completed and on the website. These are for all those individuals out there, maybe you, who need to understand what trading is about. And it's a 101. We take you by the hands, we walk you through it, and there's a lot of videos there. And it's all free. It will help you understand what trading is all about. And then at that point, you'll be in a fork in the road to either say trading is for you or trading is not for you. Your eyes will be opened at that moment. You'll realize how much you don't know in the markets, and at that point you make a decision on if you want to continue further with your education. Then we have more advanced training in the 201 videos that will be there for your enjoyment and education. And Listen, we've had a lot of people asking about Teach Me to Hedge. If you want to learn about hedging and our hedging techniques that we do here at Grok Trade, we have a seminar coming up here in the next couple of weeks, along with market internals. So we got a couple of those coming. If you want to be alerted to when those evening webinars are going to come out, you have to be a registered member. Just register on the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Register. It's free, and we'll send out an email to everybody. And listen, last but not least, this Wednesday is a time where we're going to be talking about our mentor program that's coming up here in December in just a couple weeks. And if to get signed up, just click on mentorship link on the website and fill out that form. So when you click on meet the mentor, mentorship, fill out that form. We'll make sure you get a link for Wednesday night's free webinar that talks in detail about what mentoring is. And listen, we see some changes coming in the mentoring program, and you may not be giving an opportunity to get mentoring as readily and as cheaply as you're getting it right now. So things are going to be changing in 2011. I highly recommend, if you are remotely interested in getting trained by me and the others here at Grok Trade, that you have a golden opportunity this month to get that done. So with that said, I hope you join us to find out more about the mentoring program coming up soon. So take care, safe trading, and it is so good to be back. Looking forward to be back at the helm and in the saddle and giving great trading education here at Grok Trade.